Right here, we've installed a downstream injector bypass kit. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the concept, we'll kind of use this little pictograph to give you an idea of what's going on. Traditionally, the water moves one direction through a downstream injector. While there's no issue with that, it does actually restrict everything just because of the orifice size internally on the injector itself. What a downstream injector bypass loop allows you to do is actuate a valve either manually or electronically, so that water is forced to go through the injector when you want soap, or you can open the valve and water can go around the loop, bypass that injector, allowing you to optimize the full flow of your machine. What this does, in a sense, is basically removes that restriction. It takes the path of least resistance when the water flow is moving around that loop, and you get full flow or full rinse power. One of the biggest benefits to this is when you're using a higher flow machine, we're just use 8 gallons a minute as an example. A standard inline injector is going to restrict that down to a 6 gallon a minute machine. By opening it up to full 8 gallons a minute, you will not only rinse faster, but you'll be able to rinse higher. So making this a very efficient tool when you get into higher flow equipment.